So how to sign up in Colmex Pro trading platform. In this video, I will tell you about how you can sign up, and I will show you a step by step. If you don't know already about the Colmex Pro, I already made one video about the Colmex Pro, and just click right here and then you will see why I choose Colmex Pro. So before we go, just make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the like button. So the first one, we go to my channel and click on one of my video. It doesn't matter, so just go to description and then click on the first link, and then you will go direct to the sign up page. If you go from that way, you will get 1 month free fee, and then you don't need to pay any commission for 1 month to this platform. It's very good option and you can also use it. So just put your name and your email, and then from that IP you will, so they understand which country you live, so and then put your number. So I just fill out this one, and then your email, and then your phone number, and click on submit. So here you put again your email address and start now. So the first name, and just fill out it, William, and here it's very easy, guys. So it takes around maybe 5 minutes. So, and I just click it here, and phone number again. So, and then you accept all of this, and if you live in US, just unclick and click on next, and plus just here put phone number correctly. So we just waited to be accepted. This takes it's very easy, but you need to also answer to some question actually, so it takes a little time. So here you can found it by credit card or wire transfer. So but just let's do it later, and then you don't need to pay or what's called open a real account. So just open a demo account, and after that so you can open a real account. So you don't need to put your credit card, and continue to next step, deposit later, click on that. So here you will fill out your home address and all the details. I just fill out it by myself. Zip code, and here the ID or passport number. So it can be your passport number, or it can be also your driver license number. So you need to use this one actually, because when you want to access to your account, you need to have this number with yourself, and also you should write it down because it's important. Otherwise you couldn't access to your account. So of course all of us have the passport number and also ID number. So is just to know, and you should just understand why you should put it here, and then just put one number. And taxpayer here 0, and click on the next. So no thanks. So here you need to give the details about yourself, is employed or self-employed or a student, and just fill out it. And it doesn't necessary actually, so just put what is expires, and just is expect origin funds, just European, no, next, and then you correct knowledge about the experiences like school full certificated. Please select one of the following and just guys, it matter, but you need to take time and fill out it. I just, because I don't want to this video very live, so you need to read it and then you need to answer. So this account is only for teach you how you can use it, and I don't use this account actually, so it's just for this YouTube channel, and then I will show you how you can sign up. So it doesn't matter, I just click one of these, and okay, if one of lives in assets, the golden message is blank. So just do it. Profit, you need to read it, guys. I don't read it because I don't want to be this video long. So here you came, and then you will answer that question, and here also about that. So do you there is all review and certificate, accept and agree. Just click on the next. Here also one click, next, and then they will send you one account number, and I will show you here. So, and then you need to prove your identity and residence about it. So you can upload your passport. You can also upload your so utility bill as like electricity or internet bill. So you can just upload it, and then they will accept your account, and you will be proof for Colmex Pro that you are a person. So, and then click on finish. You can also do it later, but you need to do it because you will not be able to deposit or withdraw, so they couldn't accept. So just first you should be proof for Colmex Pro, and then you need to have to withdraw or deposit. So here just note down these numbers is like username and password. So when you're done, and then we go to the next video about how you can use Colmex Pro platform. They have many different platform. If I go to the Colmex Pro, I will show you how many different they have the platform. They have the Colmex Pro 2.0. It is so web trader, desktop, mobile. They have also MetaTrader. Maybe all of you know about the MetaTrader. It have desktop, mobile, and multi-trader, web, desktop, and mobile, which we use the Colmex Pro web trader. So just go to next video and see how you can use the Colmex Pro platform.